back to another episode of Shade TV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today we're going to be taking a look at some Yeezy Boost 700 V1 Waverunners. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back everyone to another unboxing and review. If you're new to the channel, be sure to smash that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave those down below. Hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button for our amazing membership perks as well as our merch store. Today we're going to be taking a look at an OG colorway. These are the Waverunners. I can't believe, honestly, I have not done a full unboxing, review, and styling on this specific sneaker because it is a classic go-to that you need to have in your collection if you are a true Yeezy fan. So we're going to start off with the overview of these, jump into size and fit, followed by how I styled this really cool color combination. Then we'll conclude with how much these will be going for on the retail and resale market. Let's jump right into it. So again, these originally released back in 2017. I was unable to snag them then, but I did get these on a restock. I also, if you remember, snagged a pair for Jacques Slade last year on Yeezy Day, and then these did again actually restock in March of 2022. So we will be seeing these again on Yeezy Day, which is very exciting for those who don't already have this in their collection. This by far goes down as one of my favorite color combinations and most comfortable Yeezy silhouettes to date. So let's jump right into it. We've got that nice suede on the front, that heather gray. We've got that prominent, just really dope teal that's in a darker shade and a darker blue color combo. As we work up, we've got some 3M here. One of my favorite parts of the sneaker is the laces. It is kind of this yellowish, greenish colorway that has this nice pop of neon color to it. We've got that nice heather gray mesh tongue. And as we wrap around to the side panels, you'll see that we've got more of that just nice, deep, dark teal color scheme, which just complements that dark black suede quite nicely. We've got tumbled heather gray leather on the side here. As we wrap around to the back of the heel, more of that light heather gray. We've got 3M popping on the side of the lateral portion of the sneaker, and it's nice and metallic-y silver. And then we've got more of that just dark, deep black suede that encompasses that, with more meshing in a gray and teal. And then as we go into the interior, the insole is gray with black writing, and then the sneaker is then completed with, of course, that predominant pop of orange there and cream with some hits of that black accent. And the sneaker is completed with black on the bottom, and then it does have that full length boost for that maximum comfort. All right, so let's take a look at all of those details and then jump into size and fit on these. All right, so as far as size and fit goes, I do recommend at least going half a size up. I like to have a little bit more wiggle room in my toe box region. So again, this is a bit shallow. So if you're someone like me that wears thick socks, you like to have some extra room, go at least half a size up on these. If you do have flatter, wider feet, that could differentiate something that may work completely opposite for myself, since I do have high arch and narrow feet. So do take that into consideration before deciding what size will work best for you. All right, so now let's jump into styling. Again, this is just such a fun colorway. I was so obsessed with these when these first released, and I was so bummed every time I saw somebody wearing them and I didn't have them. So I was just so happy to incorporate these into my wardrobe. For the first look, I definitely wanted to match the laces, so I decided to go with a kind of yellowish tone dress for the summertime. I think it's just such a great color combination that I want to work into my wardrobe, specifically with bright, bold color options. And then for the second look, I decided to match the orange hue that you see on the midsole there. And I went with a nice pop of orange for a tank top that was cropped with a matching skirt. For the last and final look, I decided to wear an abstract tank with abstract shorts that had kind of all the color combinations that you see throughout the sneaker itself, in blue and green and black hues, also with a little bit of cream. So definitely don't be afraid to steer clear of patterns. I think patterns just work so great with Waverunners.
Give up the crown, fight until the end. We stay until we win. Y'all better bring it on, 'cause this is our battle song. Into the jungle, into the jungle, bring it on. What in the world, huh? You all in my nerves, huh? You never return, huh? When you enter in the jungle. Look in your eyes, I'm seeing trouble. You were the champ, but I'm taking that buckle. You a Goliath, but I got the sling. I'm taking your head when I enter the ring. No matter what opposition that you bring, I will be standing 'cause I am the king. I am the lion, this is my jungle. Like a gorilla, ready to rumble. All out till we take the crown. We ain't giving up, we ain't backing down. We the new money, about to rise up. Time to move over 'cause your time's up. Way too hungry, never be denied. Pain in my eyes,
All right, so now let's conclude with how these are currently doing on the resale market. So these originally retailed at $300. I know it's a little bit steep price point, but I promise you it is worth it. I'm obsessed with these. Currently, these are going between $320 to $400, and that's not too crazy over that retail price point. That's because these have re-released multiple times, and again, we are going to expect to see these on Yeezy Day. So definitely snag a pair if you don't already have these. I promise you will become obsessed with them. All right, everyone, that's it for this unboxing and review. If you joined us for the first time, thank you so much. Hit that subscribe on your way out. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, leave those down below. Hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button for our amazing membership perks as well as our merch store. This is ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. We will catch you on the next episode.
Hope you ready into the jungle. Into the jungle.